Hey there, Juliana Tomasek from julianatomasek.com, and today I have a new computer skill for you. It's a very simple thing to do, and it's how to underline. And I'm using a Microsoft Office Word. However, this skill does translate to a lot of other programs, and it's very handy to learn. So this is how you would underline. I'm going to underline my name here. So I'm going to click right in front of it. I'm going to highlight my name. And from the home screen in the upper left-hand corner, you'll see the U with a line under it. And all you have to do is click that box, and the word I want to underline is underlined. So voila. And if I want to underline, if that's such a thing, I'm just going to highlight that word again, click on that little U with the underline, and voila, the underscore is gone. Now, another way to do it is you can highlight that word, and using a keyboard shortcut, you can hit Control and the letter U at the same time. If you do that, it will underline, and if you want to remove that, you can just hit Control again with the letter U, and that underline is gone. So, handy little computer skill hack for you today. Thank you so much for watching my video. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel and check out my other videos. I have all kinds of little hacks and skills and fun things. And thanks again for watching.